In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Hytale crashing on PC. So once you're on your PC, the first thing you gotta do is go to the search and type Task Manager. Then you're going to look for anything Hytale related and you're going to right click on it and end the task. Because sometimes your game might not open or work properly when something is still running in the background from previous time, and by completely ending it, you prevent that from happening. The second thing you can do is actually go to the Hytale launcher, right click it and run it as an administrator. Running a game as an administrator sometimes helps you bypass some of the issues that you might be facing, but that isn't guaranteed. Another thing you can do is to go to the Hytale launcher again, right click it and then go to properties. Once you're at properties, go to compatibility, then you're going to enable compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and we're going to enable run this program as an administrator. And for some people, disabling full screen optimizations helps to prevent the game from crashing, because sometimes it's not necessarily about the game itself, but about the screen resolution. Once you've done that, press on apply and OK. Another thing you can do is to go to the settings in your game and then go to video, turn all the graphical settings to low or even lowest, because the game might be too heavy for your PC to run properly. That makes it crash eventually. So put everything to low graphics, that might help you. And the last thing you can do if none of it helps is to actually restart your PC. That might also help you fix the issue.